You want to start strength training and it can seem overwhelming, but you don't need a gym membership or to spend hundreds of dollars to start. But what do you need, and what weights do you start with, and which exercises actually work? I've been training clients for over 40 years, and this is exactly what I start them with, whether they're 25 or 65. For under $40, I'll show you the exact dumbbell set that I use most often with my clients, what weight to begin with, and show you the 5 exercises that are the foundation to get stronger faster. A single pair of dumbbells isn't going to cut it. You might chest press with the 8 pounds, but need the 3 pounds for overhead or shoulder work. Different exercises require different weights, and you need the ability to increase those weights gradually to get stronger and to maintain that muscle. It's all about progressive overload. That's just increasing the weights as your muscles get stronger. That's why I researched and I found this one set of dumbbells that is perfect for beginners. Here's the exact set you need. 3 pairs of dumbbells, 3 pounds, 5 pounds, and 8 pounds, plus a stand to keep them organized. That's it. Under $40 on Amazon. These are the exact poundages I use most often with my clients, from beginners to pro athletes. So you've got your dumbbell set, but how do you know which weight to use for which exercise? Well, here's the simple answer. Start with the lightest weight. You can always increase it. It might also just be appropriate. And remember, different exercises will use different weights. And that's normal. Don't expect to use the same weight on everything. That's where most people go wrong. Strength training is probably the single most important thing that a woman can do for her body, especially when it comes to aging. It fires up your metabolism. It's your strength. It's your mobility. It's longevity. As women, we naturally lose muscle as we age, but strength training prevents that. Now let's review the 5 foundational exercises that you're going to use. The first foundation exercise is the squat. The next is the heel elevated bridge. The third exercise is the bent over row. Exercise 4 is the W press. And the 5th foundational exercise is the biceps hammer curl. Now you might think you know how to do these exercises. Most people don't know the right things to focus on to make the fastest changes in their body. Without the 3 core form cues for each exercise, you won't see changes. So now you know exactly what equipment you need to get. It's under $40. You know what starting weights to use and the 5 foundational exercises to do. But the part that makes it all actually work is the how. And I'll show you the 3 cues for each exercise, so watch this next.